Buyers, when it comes to flooding, no one really thinks it's going to happen to them, but here are some facts you may not be aware of. If you live in a high-risk A zoning, there is a 40% chance the property will flood within the next 10 years, and 1 inch of flood damage will cost $25,000 to repair. Even if you have flood insurance, the maximum payout is capped at $250,000. And finally, if you live in a floodway, you cannot expand the footprint of the property. You are stuck with the square footage as currently is. So it's really important you're aware of the flood zoning and flood insurance requirements before you go making any offers.